Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we find the value of this fraction 5 power of 2 minus divided by 5 minus 3 multiplied by 2. Now we solve at the rules of mathematics PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, first we solve parentheses, then exponent, then multiplication or division. Multiplication or division we solve from left to right, and addition or subtraction we solve from left to right. Now we have one exponent, one division, one subtraction and one multiplication. So first of all we solve exponent. Now 5 power of 2 give us 25 divided by 5 minus 3 multiplied by 2. Now we solve multiplication or division. So we solve it from left to right. Now in left side we have division. So first we solve division. 25 divided by 5 give us 5 minus 3 multiplied by 2. Now we have one subtraction and one multiplication. According to the rule, we first solve multiplication then subtraction. So 5 3 times 2 give us 6. Now minus 6. Now the equation become 5 minus 6 give us 1. Final answer is 1. Sorry, 1. Minus 1. Minus 1 is the final answer. Thanks for watching.